morning, students. Myself, Vivekananda Thakre, head of the department Computer Engineering, Suryoday College of Engineering and Technology. So, good morning to all. Now, our main topic of discussion is the Gallantry Awards. So, what is Gallantry Awards? Gallantry Awards are also known as a Bravery Awards. That means that offers to a particular personnel for their bravery in a particular situation, like they having a performance in war, or some citizens also these particular awards can be honored. There are 6 different types of gallantry awards. First one is the Paramveer Chakra, Mahavir Chakra, Veer Chakra, Ashok Chakra, Kirti Chakra, and Shaurya Chakra. So actually, initially there was only 3 awards because these are categorized into 2 different categories. One is the wartime gallantry awards and another is the peacetime gallantry awards. So in the wartime gallantry awards, there are 3 basic awards are honored to the personnel. One is a Paramveer Chakra, another is Mahavir Chakra, and the Veer Chakra. And in peacetime gallantry awards, we are having 3 another awards that is known as the Ashok Chakra, Kirti Chakra, and Shaurya Chakra. So we'll discuss one by one what exactly these awards and what are the criteria. We will discuss in brief what these awards are. So award declaration. First 3 awards are instituted by the Government of India on 26th January 1950, which will be affected from the 15th August 1947. Another is a new award declaration. That means first 3 awards are Paramveer Chakra, Veer Chakra, and Mahavir Chakra, and after that these another 3 awards that are initially known as a Ashok Chakra Class 1, Ashok Chakra Class 2, and the Ashok Chakra Class 3. That was instituted in 4th January 1952, and which are deemed to be having effect from the 15th August 1947. After that, these awards are renamed by the Ashok Chakra, Kirti Chakra, and Shaurya Chakra accordingly. That means the Ashok Chakra Class 1 is also known as the Ashok Chakra. Ashok Chakra Class 2 is known as a Kirti Chakra, and the Ashok Chakra Class 3 is known as a Shaurya Chakra. And that was implemented from January 1967. This award announcement is possible in twice in a year. One on the Republic Day and another is on the Independence Day, on the occasion of Independence Day. And the order of preference of these 6 different awards according to their higher order. The first one is the Paramveer Chakra. After that, Ashok Chakra, Mahavir Chakra, Kirti Chakra, Veer Chakra, and Shaurya Chakra. That means first 3 awards, which are known as a wartime gallantry awards. Whatever the order we are having in these 3 awards, the same order we are seeing in the peacetime gallantry awards also. That means whatever the highest place of the wartime gallantry award, the same place is available to the peacetime gallantry award, that is known as a Ashok Chakra. That means whatever the position of Paramveer Chakra, exactly the same position is for the Ashok Chakra. Next is Mahavir Chakra, and the same position is for Kirti Chakra. Similarly, Veer Chakra and Shaurya Chakra. So these are the order of precedence of these particular awards. After that, what are the selection criteria implemented for these particular awards that we will discuss. So what exactly happens? The recommendations are invited normally in the month of August, which have to be implemented at the time of honored at the time of Republic Day, and another in the month of March that should be honored at the time of or in the occasion of Independence Day. So the Ministry of Defense have performed this gallantry award, have honor these gallantry awards to the achievers, and the time limit should not be beyond 2 years from the date of gallantry have been performed by a particular person. Recommendations are received from the Union Ministry of Home Affairs also, that is MHA, along with recommendations received directly from private individuals like the VIP and some political persons that are never accepted. Persons recommended for these awards shall not be involved in any adverse reports or any punishment given in a court martial to a particular military person through the administrative section. Recommendations received are considered by the Central Honors and Award Committee. Central Honors and Award Committee is a special committee constituted by the defense personnel, and they are compromising to the defense minister of the country, uh, three service chiefs, and the defense separate secretary. These are involved in this particular committee that is known as the Central Honors and Awards Committee. So recommendations can also be accepted from this committee also. Recommendations of the CHAC, that is the Central Honors and Awards Committee, are submitted for the approval of Prime Minister as well as the President. And after approval of the President and the Prime Minister, the awards are announced on the occasion of the Republic Day and on the Independence Day. So 2 times or twice a year, these awards are be honored to the particular person. Now we'll discuss one by one what exactly the Paramveer Chakra is and what are the different awards are be. Now the Paramveer Chakra is the most conspicuous award honored for the bravery or any preeminent self-sacrifice or a valor given by a particular military person on the sea, air, and water. Who are the eligibles for these awards? That is the main question. So the officers and men and women of all ranks of the naval, military, and air forces are eligible for this one. Along with this, any of the reserve forces, any territorial army, military, and any other lawfully constituted armed force are also eligible for this Paramveer Chakra award. Most of the persons are knowing about this one, ki what are the eligible persons, but exactly what happens, some matrons, sisters, and nurses and the staff of the nursing services are also eligible for this Paramveer Chakra award. And other services pertaining to hospitals and nursing and civilians serving regularly or temporarily under the orders, directions, or supervisions of any of the above mentioned forces can also eligible for these awards. Next one, design of the Paramveer Chakra and the ribbon. What type of design for this Paramveer Chakra award is there, and what type of ribbon? Because we are having some specializations of this ribbon also along with the medal. So what exactly the design of this Paramveer Chakra is? So the medal shape is in circular size, and material used for this is a uh, metal bronze. After that, diameter is 1 and 3/8 inches. The diameter of that particular medal is a 1 and 3/8 inch. We are having the 4 replicas of Indra's Vajra. Indra's Vajra is also known as the Trishul. We are commonly known as Trishul. So that should be along with the state emblem embossed in the center of a particular medal. At the back side of the Paramveer Chakra, we are having Paramveer Chakra written in Hindi as well as in English with 2 lotus flowers between the Hindi and English word. Ribbon, for the ribbon purpose, we are using a plain purple colored ribbon. Along with that, we are having the bars on that particular ribbon. So these bars represent some special things. Act of bravery shall be recorded by a bar to be attached to the ribbon. After that, for every such additional act of bravery or an additional bar shall be added. Bar or bars may also be awarded posthumously. Posthumously means after the death, a particular military person can also be awarded this particular Paramveer Chakra. For every bar awarded, a replica of the Indra's Vajra in the miniature shall be added to the ribbon when worn. So these are the specifications of the design of the Paramveer Chakra. Now next is how many persons these particular awards can be honored up till now. So total 21 Paramveer Chakra are awarded over persons. out of which 14 are the posthumously awarded. The very first award of the Paramveer Chakra was honored, given to a Major Somnath Sharma on the 3rd November 1947 in the Battle of Badgam in Jammu and Kashmir. And the last or latest award, which is given to the Captain Vikram Batra on the 5th July in 1999 in the Kargil War. Some glimpses of the awardees given in this slide are Major Somnath Sharma. P in bracket indicates the posthumously awarded to this particular person. After that, Lieutenant Colonel Karan Singh, Captain Gurbachan Singh Salaria, Major Shaitan Singh, Lieutenant Colonel Ardeshir Buzorji Tarapur, Major Dhan Singh Thapa, Captain Vikram Batra. Captain Batra is also awarded a posthumously this Paramveer Chakra Award. Major Hoshiar Singh and lots of many more. Next one is the Mahavir Chakra Award. Whatever we have discussed, this is about the Paramveer Chakra. Now the next wartime gallantry award is the Mahavir Chakra, which is again the conspicuous gallantry in the presence of the enemy, whether on land, air, or whoever is the eligible person for these particular awards. So again, exactly similar fashion. Whatever the eligibility criteria applied to the Paramveer Chakra, exactly same eligible criteria is applied to the Mahavir Chakra also. Now the specifications for the design of Mahavir Chakra. Again, this particular medal is circular shape, which is a silver made of silver material. We are having the same diameter, whatever is used for the Paramveer Chakra, that is 1 3/8 inches. Again, design purpose, we are having a 5-pointed heraldic star with the points of the star just touching the rim. We are seeing a picture of this medal in this particular slide, which indicates that how the design should be there. And the star shall have in the center a dome glided straight emblem. In the back side of the Mahavir Chakra, again, exactly in the similar fashion, whatever on the Paramveer Chakra award, again, same Mahavir Chakra should be written in Hindi as well as English on the back side of that particular medal with the 2 lotus flowers between Hindi and English script. For the ribbon purpose, we are having a half white and half orange color ribbon is used. Again, the bars which indicates the bravery of that particular person. For example, the act of bravery shall be recorded by a bar to be attached to the ribbon. And bar or bars may also be awarded posthumously. We are having posthumous awards also here in this case. We'll see how many persons are awarded till date the Mahavir Chakra Award. So till date, this is the record up to 2017. So up to 2017, we are having a 218 Mahavir Chakra awards are honored to the military persons. So the very first award have been honored to the Lieutenant Colonel Dewan Ranjit Rai in 1947 in Indo-Pak Kashmir War. And the latest award in the 2001, which is awarded to the Captain Gurjinder Singh Suri in the Kargil War 1999. Some of the glimpses we are seeing over here, that is Brigadier Rajendra Singh on posthumously awarded this particular Mahavir Chakra Award, Brigadier M. Usman, Lieutenant Colonel Manmohan Khanna, Lieutenant Colonel Dewan Ranjit Rai, Lieutenant Colonel Harbhajan Singh Virk, Lieutenant Colonel Kaman Singh, and Major Harichan. Next one is the Veer Chakra Award, that is the third wartime gallantry award. This is again the most conspicuous gallantry award in the presence of the enemy, whether on land, sea, or air. So again, we are having the same criteria for eligibility for the Veer Chakra, whichever is also available for Paramveer Chakra and Mahavir Chakra. The design of the particular Veer Chakra and its specifications of the ribbon. Again, this is a circular in shape, and we are using a standard silver material for a medal. Diameter is again very similar to the previous two ones, that is 1.38 inches. Design, we are again having the similar as we are used in a Mahavir Chakra, 5-pointed heraldic star with the points of the star just touches to the rim, have embossed on the obverse. The star shall have in the center of a chakra, and within the chakra shall be a domed center piece bearing the gilded state emblem. In every medal, we are having a state emblem, whichever is also available in a coin or on the currency of India. On the back side of the particular Veer Chakra award, we are having again the same fashion, that is the we are written in Hindi as well as in English, and in between Hindi and English we are having a two lotus flowers inscriptions.